Hey, your girl is back with another video, and today we are going to be designing some M03 masks. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I create these custom masks for my customers, please stay tuned. Okay, so first we are going to open up Silhouette Studio, or if you are using a Cricut, you're going to open up your Cricut design space and get the design that you want to cut out for your mask. I found this M03 design simply by Googling M03 logo and it popped up, and I saved it to my computer and I opened it up inside Silhouette Studio. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is tracing it out. So you're going to click on the trace panel and click on select trace area, and then you're going to draw a box around the design and make sure you cover up all sides of it, and then it's going to turn yellow to pretty much show you which areas it's going to be tracing out. And then you just click on trace from here. And once it traces it out, it's going to show you this red line around the design like this. And so you're going to delete the original design and you have your design that you just traced out. And I'm going to fill this in black so that it's easier for you guys to see it. Okay, so from here you want to just resize it for whatever mask you're going to be using. I always measure my mask beforehand just so I know what size design that I need to be placing on here. Okay, so for this particular design, I'm going to size it at about 3 inches in width and 3 inches in height. Feel free to play with it, and you can size it any size you would like. And then you're going to go to duplicate. I always duplicate it just to keep my original design, just in case I cut it out and it ends up being too big or too small. Then I always have that original to refer back to. You're more than welcome to print this design out and cut it out and see how it looks on your mask, and then you can resize it from there. That way you don't have to waste any vinyl. And I'm cutting it out twice because I'm going to be making 2 of these masks. So from here, you're just going to send the design to the cutting machine and it's going to cut it out. And I've already loaded my machine with the red Easyweed vinyl because that's what I'm going to be using today. And then you want to make sure you change the settings to Siser Easyweed or whatever material that you're going to be using. And then make sure that the cut panel is selected on the left side. And then you just send it to the machine. Okay, I will see you guys back at the heat press. So we're here at the heat press and I have everything cut out already. I went ahead and weeded it and cut it out for you guys. That way you don't have to watch that long boring process. Okay, so these are the masks that I use. They come like individually packaged. I purchased these off of Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box below. Okay, so this right here is my mask. I guess you can call it a mask pillow because the other ones are heat press pillows, but I mainly use those for t-shirts. These are the pillows that I use for my mask because You do need some type of cushioning under there to make sure that your design is adhering to the fabric perfectly. You don't want it to be any spots where it's not receiving even pressure or anything like that. Okay, so basically what I do, I get the mask, I put it on top of the pillow, and the edges of the mask are falling all the way around. That way I know none of that is gonna, have the design on it. So I want those to fall off. And then I'm going to hit it just for a few seconds just to remove any moisture or wrinkles. All right, that's good. And the way these masks are, they have a crease naturally put into the mask. It's hard to see on camera, but I can see it in person. So I'm just gonna get the design, fold it in half, same way I do my t-shirts, and get the center and line it up with the center here. You want to center and make sure it's like in the middle of the mask and not going too far down and too far up. Once it's in the center, I'm going to press it for about 15 seconds. And even though the heat press settings for Siser Easyweed are 305 degrees for 15 seconds, I really just like to press everything on 320. That's just a personal preference. You guys don't have to do that. That's just me. All right, so that one's done. Leave it to the side to let it cool. And I'm going to do the same thing. And you guys see how quick this is. You can like ship out so many masks and create so many masks so quickly because it's fast. All you have to do is cut everything out at one time and then just weed it and just start pressing. And with the ways things are going now, I don't think the masks are going away anytime soon. So if you are not selling masks in your business now, that's definitely something you should get started on or look into. Because these mask sales definitely be popping. Okay, do the same thing. Okay, while this going, I'm going to go ahead and peel this one. And there it goes, your custom mask. Of course, you guys know I like to hit it twice. So I'm going to put it back on there. Put it one more time. There's that one. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm going to try to zoom in. If y'all look at the texture of that, it is so smooth. That doesn't mean that it's not pressed on there good. It is pressed on there good, but I like to see the texture of the fabric underneath it. And the only way to do that is to press it twice. So if you see that one, you can actually see the texture of the mask underneath it. I don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah, that's what you want to get. As long as you can see the texture of the mask under the vinyl or through the vinyl, then you know you got a good press. Yeah. All right, so both of these masks are done. There they go. They look exactly the same, which is definitely something you want when you're selling multiples of the same item. You want them all to look cohesive. You don't want some of them with your logo down there, some of the logos up there. Like, no, they have to be the same. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this video. That was super quick. They're both done. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's how the mask turned out. So I'm going to show you guys real quick how I package my mask. So I have these bags that I purchased from Amazon. Let me get this one. That one I got a sticker stuck on there. So I have these bags that I purchased from Amazon. They are clear on one side, and the back of it is like a holographic color. It's so beautiful. So I basically got some printable stickers. I created these myself, and I designed it on the computer, and it just says custom mask. And this is what I put my mask in. So I fold it on each side. That way you can't see like the little pieces that go behind your ear. And put it in there. Make sure it's smooth. Should have smoothed it out. Alright. Just like that. Do the same thing to the other one. If you guys are interested in these bags, I will also have this link in the description box below. That way you guys can check it out. Got that from Amazon as well. And I got different sizes. So this sticker got stuck on here. So I'll see if I can get that out. Okay, so got the sticker off. Okay, so there you go. There you go, you guys. That's how I create custom masks for my customers. And just get it, put it in the bag. And I'll make sure I'll add a coupon and the free keychain or whatever I want to throw in there. And put it in my logo, my bag with my logo on it. Put it in my bag with my logo on it. And these I got from Sticker Mule. As you can see, it has my business logo as well as my website. If I can get the camera to focus. No, you don't want to focus. Okay, well, it has my website in my social media information. So yeah, that's it. And I close it and I stick one of my thank you for supporting my small business stickers on there. Alright, you guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I really appreciate it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And till next time, keep crafting.
Bye.